Good morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Aaron, please follow me. Today by the way guys, I'm Aaron Casera from Elagram Society. My hobby is playing basketball and sleeping and watching anime. My goal in life is to finish my studies and build a stable career that will allow me to support my family and friends. Education is my finder of my future, and graduating give me that uh, the opportunity that will achieve my goal. There I will manage my time better, and sometimes I intend to procrastinate my which affects my performance by creating a study schedule, rotating tasks, and avoiding distraction. When the founder of my future and graduating give me the opportunity to achieve my goals and